This is the TENMOS Wireless Mouse, and I bought this to go with my new Mac desktop setup because I love the look of it because it still kind of has that Mac mouse look. And I loved all the color changing, and look at that rose gold color. I mean, anything rose gold, I like it, and this is really great. Here's the way the back looks. You see you have the dongle that you can click into any type of laptop with a USB port. And then up here you have the switch where it switches from the built-in wireless function Bluetooth, which goes directly to your machine, or if you need to switch over to using the dongle, you'd switch it like that, depending on your needs. I've been using this for over a year and I really like it. It functions super well. My Mac just works really well with it. You see, it just moves around. It's very smooth. So it does not warn you when the battery is going low. It will just turn off. But I just keep this charge cord right by my setup, and it needs a USB-C. And I just plug it in, and as soon as you plug it in, it reconnects to your computer. So it's an awesome buy. I love it. It hasn't let me down in, like I said, over a year. So I highly recommend that you get it.